Hi, welcome back. In this video, let's talk about joint ventures or affiliate marketing. This is very powerful. I have received so many clients and customers due to my relationships with other internet marketing experts. So when it comes to JV, joint venture, or affiliate marketing, there's two different ways you can do it. You can cross promote each other, or you can have some kind of financial gain for your affiliates, which means, let's say if they're able to get you some business, they link to your website, which brings you traffic, that traffic converts, you generate some business, you can then offer a percentage of that to your affiliate partners. And for this, you need to create a program that you can share with them, of course. You need to have links that they can track the traffic going to and so on. So with joint ventures or an affiliate system, you can get backlinks from other people's websites, or you can get backlinks from other people's social media sites. Okay, so for example, you can reach out to a local blogger who's famous, who gets a lot of traffic. Maybe this person who writes in somewhat similar industries with similar niches can write for you. So if this person writes a post, if they add a post to their blog linking to your website, now, like I said, either this can be something where you cross promote each other, or there can be a financial gain, or maybe you just offer one of your services for free for the guy. Maybe you do carpet cleaning and you might say, okay, you know what, we'll just clean your entire house's carpet if you add a post to your blog and link it to our site. Okay, so there's many different ways you can give them incentive, maybe a $50 gift card, maybe a $25 Starbucks card, and so on. So having a joint venture or an affiliate partnership with other people can definitely help you get more backlinks and traffic at the same time. See if you can find any local YouTubers who are famous. You don't want to go out to those national guys. Of course, they're expensive. Plus, there's no point paying to somebody who's famous nationally because you're a local business. If they're marketing you in Chicago and your business is in Atlanta, then it doesn't really help. You'll just end up paying more money for no reason. So find someone local. If you don't know anybody personally, ask a kid. Kids usually know all this stuff. They'll find you somebody who's famous locally on YouTube, and maybe that person can promote your business. Maybe that person can link their video from a description tag of their video to your website. Same thing with social media. There's a lot of people who are famous locally, and it doesn't mean just because they're famous on Facebook means they don't need any money or they are super rich. No, they could be broke as hell. So you can help them in different ways while they help you with their following. They can link to your blog post. They can link to your main website. They can mention your site in their videos and so on. So this is a great way to get links and traffic to your website without spending much time or money. Okay? How about celebrity leverage? Maybe you have local celebrities that may not charge much to endorse your services. So find these people, find local bloggers, YouTubers, social media celebrities, or people who have a lot of following in your city, and see how you can leverage their audiences, how you can leverage their followings on social media. If they put a post out, it may go viral. It may get a lot of shares and likes. So that will help you get your posts, your website get higher in search engines. So these are just out of the box ways of doing things and getting backlinks and traffic to your website. Okay. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next video.